Have a good day everyone. Today we will see how to create a double sash sliding door design as dynamic block. Okay, let's see. Go group, G, enter, select object, enter, select copy, base point, press shift key and right click, mid between 2 points, click here, okay, again copy, click here, exit, okay, mirror, mi, enter, select object, enter, mirror line, click here, enter, okay, ungroup, un, ungroup, select object, repeat ungroup, select object, repeat ungroup, select object, repeat ungroup, select object, and okay, mirror, select object, mirror line, enter, mirror, select object, mirror line, enter, okay. Now go wipe out frame create, enter, select wipe out frame, change layer, wipe out, draw order, send to back, okay. Now go block, B, enter, block name, double sash sliding, select object, enter, pick point, block unit, millimeters, open in block editor, okay, parameters, base point, parameter, linear, repeat linear, select parameters, go properties, number of grips 1, select distance 1, properties, rename, wall depth, enter, select distance 2 parameter, go properties, rename, width, enter. Now go actions, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, stretch 1, select, go properties, distance 0.75, enter, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, stretch 2, select, go properties, distance 0.5, enter, stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, select stretch 3, distance 0.25, enter, OK. Again go stretch, select parameter point, stretch frame, select object, enter, go parameter, alignment, click center, click here, parameter, flip, click here, OK. Actions, go more, select parameter point, select flip 1, enter, action, more, select parameter point, select alignment, enter, go more 1, go properties, distance 0.5, enter, go more, select parameter point, select flip, select object, enter, go move 2, go properties, distance 0.5, enter, OK. Now go parameters, visibility point, visibility status, rename, open, new, half, OK, new, closed, OK, open, set current, OK. Now go visibility, select open, make invisible, click, select object, enter, again go visibility, select half, make invisible, click, select object, enter, again go visibility, select closed, make invisible, click, select object, Okay, enter. Okay, now go actions, flip, select flip parameter, enter, type all, enter, enter. Okay, now save block, close block editor. Okay, let's see. Stretch, visibility half, visibility close, stretch, flip, visibility half, visibility open, right click, reset. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.